Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your OPPO A53 2020, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, scroll down and find additional settings. Select keyboard in the input method, then go for the Gboard and tap on the theme. Right now we have to tap on this switcher right here in the left upper corner, and here we can take the picture that we want to set up as our theme. You can scale the picture. Then click next. Here we can set up brightness of this picture. Click done, and at the end we can turn off the key borders. Click apply, and as you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.